We're learning COVID-19 recently took the life of a 67-year-old employee of Mission Foods. That's one of 3 food suppliers in LA County ordered to close Sunday because of outbreaks among employees. And now that employee's family says he didn't have to die. NBC4's Jonathan Gonzalez is live in the newsroom now with the story for us. Jonathan.
And Carolyn, the Alvarez family mourning the loss of their patriarch, but they're using his death to send a message to other essential workers. Don't be afraid to speak up if you don't feel safe going to work.
But it was the scariest phone call of my life, because they're your parents, and both of them getting sick at the same time, you feel so helpless.
When Alicia Alvarez learned both her parents tested positive for COVID-19, she recalled something she told her father months before.
For you have to tell your employer that you're high risk and that you can't be at work. And he looked at me and he said, "Baby, I can't, or I'll lose my job."
Alicia's father, Jose Roberto Alvarez, worked in the maintenance department at Mission Foods and Commerce until late June, when he started feeling symptoms.
Then on July 4th, he was admitted into the hospital for pneumonia, and pneumonia quickly turned to ICU and a ventilator, and he was in the hospital for about 2 weeks.
Jose died from complications of coronavirus at the age of 67. Just weeks later, his employer, Mission Foods, was forced to shut down by LA County for being one of 3 companies the county says failed to report outbreaks at their facilities.
He didn't know of all the cases that were popping up.
It was exactly what Alicia had feared when she pleaded with her father to stop going into work.
Never was it said to him explicitly, but he was afraid to say something on the off chance that he'd lose his job, because he's an older Latino man.
Mission Foods has not returned numerous messages we've left them for comment. LA County Public Health says the facility is now back open, and a Mission employee told our sister station Telemundo 52 they're now receiving temperature checks when they go into work.
I lost my dad, and if this could have been prevented, I would have done anything to prevent it.
So now, Alicia says she and her family are working to teach others that her father and other essential workers have more rights than they may realize.
We are fighting for the rights of people and for everyone who feels that they're too afraid to tell their employer that they can't go in. That stops today.
Mission Foods does have a COVID-19 general statement on their website saying they're doing everything to keep their workers safe. Alicia and her family started a foundation, meanwhile, in El Salvador, where her parents' home country, to help struggling families get PPE and other essential items. They want to start that here in the United States as well, and they're asking for donations to make that a reality. We'll have that information up soon on NBCLA.com. Michael, we'll send it back to you.